This exercise is called the Sno-Cone, and it was taught to us by Todd Ryan of the Blue Devils, and I'm sure this is somewhere online. I just wasn't able to find it, so we decided to make our own. The Sno-Cone exercise is something that you can do from a block. The only thing that we need is for each student who is on the line to have a partner who is splitting the yard lines. So we'll go through it 4 counts at a time, and then we'll put the whole exercise together and show you how it works. So the people on the yard line go first, and they're going to go 4 counts to their left, ending up 2 steps ahead of and in line with the people splitting. So let's run through that. Here we go. And the horn snaps up on the step off. The people who are being orbited around, or the partner that's splitting, is going to mark time while they're not moving. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your feet. They're all lined up and looking great. The next thing they're going to do is maintain a 2-step distance from their partner and draw or march a semicircle or a quarter of a circle around, so that they are splitting the partner and the yard line. The next 4 counts, please. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now they're splitting. Their partners are still in line. The next 4 counts will take them back around in line, facing the other direction. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So you can see that the distance is good front to back. All the intervals are nice and clean. And then they go back to their original dot, which is a straight line. So if you were to trace this pattern, it would look like a snow cone. So I'm sure that's where the title came from. Back to your original spot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14, 15, 16, halt. On their halt, the team splitting the yard line steps off. So it's a smooth transition from one to the other. And having the people here to orbit around is a great visual reference point to make sure that the 2-step interval is maintained. So the next group steps off and we take their first 4 counts to the right. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, close your feet. You can see how that lines up very nicely. Take the next 4 counts in a semicircle around halfway. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and it's really important to keep that 2-step interval. A lot of our students start off learning this exercise by keeping that distance too big. Okay, the next 4 counts takes you back in line with the orbited group. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and they're back in line with their orbiting partners, and then back to their original dot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, halt. The second time through, we have made it so that the pattern or the path is still the same, but the direction that the upper body faces is always the front sideline. So this requires hip switches in the middle of the exercise, and so we're going to go through the first 4 of each each path. So here's the first 4 with the upper body remaining flat to the front. Second time through. 5, 6, first 4 counts. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Brian, go ahead and make that switch. Keep going over. There you go. All right, good. Now we're here, and then we plant on count 4, and we hip switch and march backwards around to the other side of our partner. Next 4 counts. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Okay? And we continue the marching backwards in a semicircle. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. From here we hip switch again, and we cross left over right in front, marching forward at kind of an oblique angle back to our original dot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 16, halt. And at that point, their partner steps off on count 1. First 4 counts only. Make sure that we stab with the toe, planting on count 4 for the backwards move. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Notice the plant foot is exactly where it needs to be. Here we go. 5, 6. Next 4 counts. Go.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. And you'll have to practice this a few times. And really what we want to focus on is maintaining the cover down. And the next 4 counts. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
10, 11, 12.
Okay. Let's check the intervals here. Very good for the most part. Okay. And the next 4 counts, we plant with the right foot and we move to a forward oblique step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
13, 14, 15, 16, halt.
And that's the end of the exercise. So let's run the whole thing for you twice through. The first time following our path or facing the direction of our travel, and the second time the upper body will stay facing to the front. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, halt.
And the band really likes this one. It presents a nice challenge, so everyone has something to work on. So this one takes a little bit to get used to, but study the video and you'll have it down.